how to set up Square Card Reader on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Square Card Reader on iPhone. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, in order to set up a Square Card Reader on iPhone, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Press and release the button on your reader to turn it on. Step 2. Go to your device settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Step 3. Open the Square app and tap the three horizontal lines. Step 4. Tap Settings, then Card Readers, and then connect a reader. Step 5. On an iOS device, tap Contactless plus Chip Reader. Step 6. Put your reader into pairing mode by pressing the reader's button for 3 seconds. Step 7. Remove your finger as soon as you see orange flashing lights. Once connected, the reader will be listed as ready in app. So that's how you can set up a Square Card Reader on iPhone. That's all for this video.